Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening Origin and loading your raw XRD file. You want the 2θ column first and intensity second. Once the file is imported, check delimiters and header rows and convert intensity to counts or percent if needed. You must set the X column units to degrees and label both axes now, because downstream analysis uses those labels. If peaks look noisy, apply a quick smoothing later. But first, verify numeric ranges and remove non-numeric lines so Origin reads the columns correctly and plots immediately. With data ready, select both columns and create a line plot. Origin will draw intensity versus 2θ. Next, open plot details to adjust line width, color, and add markers for clarity. This improves peak visibility. For background removal, use analysis, peak and baseline. Create baseline, then subtract. For overlapping peaks, try peak fit, multiple peak fit. Make sure to lock axis scales, set major ticks at sensible intervals, and add labels so your diffraction features are interpretable for viewers and publication. Finish by running Peak Analyzer to detect peak centers and fit shapes. Choose Gaussian, Lorentzian, or Voigt depending on instrument broadening, record positions, and FWHM for phase ID. Once done, annotate peaks, add reference vertical lines for standard phases, and include a legend. Make sure to save the Origin project, OPJ, so all steps are reproducible, and export the figure as TIFF or PDF at 300 dpi for publication. Troubleshooting tip: if fits fail, reevaluate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.